Apparently, Sony is making a lot of their new PlayStation 5 right now in their factories. In fact, they have doubled their production for their PlayStation 5, as it's already been reported that 10 million units are being sent out to all the retail stores online, and it's pretty much out of the gate. For the debut, you're gonna get a lot available in stock to pick up. Sony is really putting all their hearts into this particular PlayStation 5, and you're gonna get pretty much great performance out of the gaming console. So what is it that you're going to be looking to get? So the manufacturing for this particular PS5 was expected to be around 5 million early March. That's a few months ago. But right now, I think the demand and the anticipation for it is a bit high. So they are looking at so the manufacturing for the PlayStation 5 was said to be around 5 million in early this year. So it later changed. So right now it's already pushed up to 10 million. So once it debuts in October, you would have a lot available to pick from your various stores. Be on the lookout, because you're gonna get two models. One will technically be for the online and not the online gaming without the optical drive setup, and one would be the one that will have your optical drive that you can put your disc, and that would even have the much more powerful specs and all that. That's pretty much what you are gonna get. But the thing here is that unlike the Series X from Microsoft, the PlayStation 5, both the streaming version and the regular disc version, they probably will have the same internals. I think they will all have the same processing power and the same internal. Unlike the Series X that would have different internals from the streaming version, which is this streaming S. Sorry, the Series S version. But it is what it is. That's pretty much the news. This is what you are probably going to be looking to expect. Prices hasn't really surfaced officially, but you'll probably be looking at a price tag between $250 and as high as $500 um for the top of the line game console. And that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you follow us on social media, like us on Facebook, and I'll see you guys next time.